My Citi Double Cash Card just came in the mail all the way from St. Louis, Missouri, and you get to watch me unbox it. And yes, we're actually going to use this. Please forgive my verbal typo. I meant to say Citi Custom Cash Card. Citi Double Cash, Citi Custom Cash, 2 out of 3 words were the same. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area for some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. Now I want you to take 3 seconds and look at the title of this video. You probably see the word unboxing in the title, and all we have here is an envelope. So to solve that problem, we're actually going to do this. I am going to actually rebox my Citi Double Cash Card inside here, tape it all up as if it really came in this lovely white box, and then we will literally do an unboxing of the Citi Double Cash Card. And then, as promised, we will use this fork to unbox it. Let's do this. Dang it. Ah, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's unbox this. Doing this without a table in front of a camera is a lot more difficult than I thought. But it's all for you. Behold, flap number 1. Well, maybe. Ha! Flap number 2. Flap number 3. And flap number 4. And the saga continues. Solid. Looks like 2 rounds of sensitive information. So I'm going to cover that up right now with some sticky notes. That was round 1. Now on to round 2. It is now time to reveal the Citi Custom Cash Card. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and hold up. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! There is the brand new Citi Custom Cash Card in all of its newfound glory. It's actually a pretty shiny card, kind of like a hologram on the front, so I'm going to remove that front sticker and show it to you without the sticker. And at long last, here is the card now fully removed from the paper with the sticker removed off the front as well. Again, kind of that cool, shiny hologram design. Here is the reverse of the card. Of course, my numbers are covered up, but if you want to see my card number, let me just take this off real quick. Just kidding. But while we are on the back of the card, I will say that it is a World Elite MasterCard, which you can see right here in the bottom right-hand corner, along with the silver grayish logo there on the front where it says MasterCard in the bottom right there. And right next to the EMV chip here, it shows that little wave sign that represents contactless technology as well. So this card can be tapped at a terminal in order to pay rather than having to insert the chip in order to make your transaction go through. Now, normally you would actually get the card member agreement, all the terms, conditions, etc. in a much thicker envelope, but I got this card as an upgrade for my Citi Simplicity Card. If you want to see how I did that, I made a separate video on the topic, so be sure to check that one out for the step-by-step process. Basically, it was a great way for me to take an existing account that I already had with Citi and simply product change to a new card without having to get a hard pull, no new application, no effect on my credit score, etc. etc. The downside, of course, is that I did not receive a welcome bonus for doing so, but I was aware of that before doing the product change and I was okay with it at that time. So here's one more shot of the Citi Custom Cash Card. Again, a very sleek design. I really do like it. And I love the card itself for the ability to get 5% cash back or 5 points per dollar in a category where you spend the most every single month. You don't have to worry about activating or enrolling in certain categories every quarter. Simply wherever you spend the most in pre-selected categories every single billing cycle, then Citi will automatically award you that 5% or 5 points per dollar. So there's no mental math or acrobatics that you have to jump through or remember every single quarter or month. It's a very simple card with no annual fee and very rewarding if you want to get some cash back or some points that are designed for travel, especially when paired with another card like the Citi Premier card. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about the Citi Custom Cash Card, I already did an in-depth review video of this card for all the features, benefits, how you earn, redeem, and more. Check out this video right here. I will link to it in the description below, as well as one of the end cards of this video that we can simply click on it and go watch that one. It's those in-depth review type of videos that I produce to help you determine if it would be a great card for you to carry in your wallet or not. And even though it is a plastic credit card, we'll still do a few drop tests just so you can hear what it sounds like, and we'll also compare it to the actual metal cards themselves to have a comparison. So first of all, here is the Citi Custom Cash, and again, and a third time. Now, we'll compare it to the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card, which I have in the Whole Foods Market design. And now the Capital One Venture Awards card. And we'll wrap it up with the Apple card. Here we go. I think we have a clear winner, although this one is still great for the 5% cash back. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit or at least entertain other people, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. And do let me know what you think about the Citi Custom Cash Card. Do you like it? Do you not? Do you have it in your wallet, or do you plan to get it at some point via a new application or upgrade to it from a different card? Let me know down below in the comments section. I thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope it brought you some great value or at least some fun entertainment. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great. And if you'll excuse me, I've got a bunch of post-it notes, envelopes, boxes, papers, tape, and a really oversized fork all over my countertop and floor, so I'm about to now go clean everything up and then activate my new custom cash card and earn some rewards. I wasn't kidding, it's a mess.